Okay, well, we've talked about top national races, big state races, but what about here in Central Texas? Beyond the re-election of a few officials, the decriminalization of marijuana, more money for a local school district, and the position for a local DA were on the ballots last night. Texas Today's Meredith Haas is in the newsroom to break down how Central Texans voted on these crucial issues.
Yeah, in Killeen and Harker Heights, Prop A is projected to pass. This will decriminalize small amounts of marijuana. In Harker Heights, 63% of voters are in favor of the proposition, while 69% are in favor in Killeen. In Marlin, 2 bonds have passed. These will provide millions to Marlin ISD, but it will raise taxes for residents. In a tweet from Marlin ISD, the district thanked voters, adding, "Because of you, we can give our students the educational experience they deserve." Now, moving on over to McLennan County, the position for district attorney goes to Republican candidate Josh Tettens. It came in with a little over 30% more voters than his opponent, Aubrey Robertson. As he steps into office, Tettens hopes to clean up the backlog of cases, and he wants to make sure victims' voices are heard.
Sheriff McNamara said it early on that the criminal justice system is like a chain. And so you've got the law enforcement on one end, you've got the courts on the other, and in the middle is the district attorney's office. And unfortunately that chain had been broken, but now we're going to mend it, we're going to put it back together, and we're going to prioritize cases, we're going to focus on violent crimes, and we're going to work to keep our community safe.
Tettens is referencing 2018, when Barry Johnson took over for Abel Reyna. Reyna had been heavily criticized for how he handled the Waco biker shootout. Tettens is stepping into this position with 16 years of experience in criminal law, and his father was in law enforcement for 5 years. Back to you in the studio.
All right, thank you, Meredith. Yes, I remember covering that election, so a lot of people have been having their eye on this district attorney race, for the last 5 years or so.